Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial on the agenda approval process and also the attendee input. Often before meetings there's a requirement to have an approval process before the agenda can be distributed out to the meeting attendees, as well as gain feedback from the meeting attendees so you can make the most concise agenda for that meeting. This can all be handled electronically through the MeetingBooster system. In this example, I've created a meeting agenda and assigned the meeting attendees for this meeting. And now I need to go through the process of sending it out for approval. The approval icon is in the ribbon toolbar at the top, and it's a two-step process. First, we need to select who it is we're going to be sending the request for approval, and then reviewing that approval process. You can select one or multiple people to approve an agenda before it's distributed, as well as select people from both within the meeting and outside of the meeting. By selecting Edit Approvers, I can search from anyone within my organization to be the approver of this agenda. Once selected, a notification will be sent to this person to notify them that their approval is required on this particular document. Notice at the top of this document now a notification identifying that this needs to be sent for approval. Once I've completed the creation of this agenda, simply select on Send for Approval and Request Approval. To review any pending approvals from the home page of the web interface of MeetingBooster, an icon has appeared at the bottom left-hand corner, signifying that there is something for my attention. In this example, it's the approval of the agenda. As you can see, we can now review the full details of this meeting, the agenda, and any tasks. When reviewing the agenda, if I have any comments or any changes that I'd like to make, I can do these using the ribbon toolbar at the top. The attendee input allows me to make comments which will be sent back to the meeting organizer. I can also request topic suggestions, apply attachments, hyperlinks, or make any general comments that need to be sent to the meeting organizer in preparation for this meeting. In this example, I've left a quick comment to send through to the meeting organizer. If I'd like, I can also toggle this message on as private, ensuring that only the meeting organizer sees my comment. Toggling it unprivate allows other meeting attendees to review my comments, which might help to suggest some other changes for this meeting. Ultimately, I'm happy with this agenda and I want to send the approval back to the meeting organizer. By selecting the Approve and Reject, I can simply toggle on the Approve, Save and Close, and the meeting organizer will be notified of this approval. Notice now on the Meetings page of the web interface, next to the meeting, there's a green tick signifying that this has been approved. And when I go into the meeting details, the icon at the top of the page has also changed to Approved. Now as the meeting organizer, if I've received any comments or any attendee inputs, and the ribbon toolbar across the top, again an icon appears to show me that there has been some attendee feedback, and I can review under here any of those comments and reply to any of those comments that have been made, as well as add any topic suggestions or review any comments or changes that have been requested from the meeting approver.